Ready, start. The petitioner is aggrieved by the land acquisition proceedings proposing to acquire his property covered by the Exhibit P1 and P2 of the construction of an approach road and the widening of the same in connection with the construction of a bridge in Kozhikode division of the State Public Works Department in bracket roads and bridges. Exhibit P3 is the composite notification under section 4.1 and 17.4. It is stated in Exhibit P3 that in view of the urgency of the need inquiry under section 5A has been ordered to be dispensed with pursuant to Exhibit P3 notice under Rule 9 of the Land Acquisition Rules showing the details of the properties proposed to be acquired as also been issued, and Exhibit P4 is the copy of the said notice. Item number 4 in Exhibit P4 is property of the petitioner. On receiving Exhibit P4, the petitioner submitted Exhibit P5 representation highlighting the hardship he will have to suffer in case the acquisition of his property is insisted upon. It is stated in Exhibit P5 that if the petitioner's property is acquired, his residential building will come to the very edge of the approach road, which will render a peaceful life in the building is impossible. The petitioner submits that the proposal is acquire his property to a WPC number 35572 of 2007 and 7018/08 width of 7 meters from the edge of the road to the property on the opposite side of the road belonging to another person will be acquired only to the extent of 2 meters. The present proposal is in deviation from the original plan, which was to acquire equally from the petitioner's property and also from the property on the opposite side. Petitioner submits that if the original plan is implemented without deviation, the prejudice will not be accused to anybody. Referring to section 62 of the Kerala Land Acquisition Act and subsection 2 of the section 5 of the State Reorganization Act 1956 of the petitioner contends that the present proceeding initiated under Central Land Acquisition Act are without jurisdiction and hence avoid. Raising various grounds, the petitioner prays in this writ petition for the following reliefs. On considering this writ petition for admission, this court on 9/1/2008 issued notice to R2 and R3 Special Tehsildar LA and the Chief Engineer in bracket roads and bridges and directed the government pleader to took notice on behalf of the first respondent take of Kerala to make available the land acquisition file and also stayed disposition of the petitioner from his properties for 2 weeks. The interim order restraining disposition on being extended from time to time is in currency. The second respondent LA officer has filed a detailed statement. It is contended therein that the acquisition proceedings was initiated on the basis of a valid requisition received from the executive engineer for the construction of bridge and the approach road. The executive engineer requested for invocation of the urgency clause since the public and the representatives public were constantly pressing for early realization of the project, which will provide considerable convenience to the public for receiving the institutions such as Calicut Medical College, Indian Institute of Management.